Hello and welcome to this channel. I wanted to do a short video just to show you how to use this channel to get better at doing IB chemistry exams. So the first thing that you see when you're on the home page, you see all the videos, but they're arranged in playlists. I have found in my experience it's the paper 1B that people tend to have the most trouble with. So if you open up the playlist for 1B, then you can choose one or you can play them all. But let's say that you choose the second one. Now, I do not intend for someone to immediately watch the video. That is not the purpose of the channel. The purpose of the channel is shown in this. So you click more and that will show you the description. This is the purpose of the channel. You first get the blank copy of the questions and you allow that to load for you, and it comes up as a Google Doc. Whatever questions that you are interested in, you simply put that on your computer or print them out or whatever it is that you want to do, and then do the question yourself first. Then you go back to the channel and you look at the answer for that particular question. If you look at the answer and you're correct, do not waste any more time, move on. If you are incorrect, at that point, go back
Okay,
and
folks.
start playing
So, as always, first
the
thing you do,
video. Remember, you can put on the captions, closed captions, to help you navigate the
you
content,
read your.
and you can scrub through it until you see exactly what it is that you're looking for. I hope that this is helpful for you, and I hope that you come back, and I also hope that you subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.